Hey, what is up everybody? My name is Rahul and in this video we'll be looking at a challenge called Careers for 100 points. The challenge description says that we got hacked. We're trying to identify the root cause. If you are a lead hacker, please upload your resume. Now going to the website, you can see that you can upload your CV using text format only. Please archive the file using zip format and then you can upload it. So what are the things that you would normally do? So first you would make a file called payload .php. Even if it says .text, you will, I know you will make it using PHP. You will upload using system cmd and then you will try to zip it up, test.zip payload.php, and then you will try to upload it. But this didn't work for me. For some it did work, some said that it worked for them, but in the Discord itself, but this didn't work for me anyhow. So let's just try to remove payload.php and remove everything here, and let's see what other things worked for people. So here what they did was they typed in php echo shell exec. Shell exec and system are the same. Actually they try to do the same thing, get cmd, and again they try to zip it up, sorry, test.zip to payload.text. They did the same thing, they uploaded it here, upload, go here, go to payload.txt, and if I were to just type in cmd is equal to ls, you can see that it won't work. So again this did not work for me. So I'll tell you what worked for me. I knew that I had read about it somewhere. So if I would type in zip upload rce, and if I were to go to book.hattricks.xyz and go somewhere down, you will see that there is a section on uploading it using uploading zip files using symlinks. Okay, so if you can upload a zip file that is going to be decompressed inside the server, you can do two things: upload the link containing soft links, accessing the decompressed file, you can access the linked files. So what it is trying to do here, it is trying to link this file which is on the server with this file and then try to zip it up. So what will happen is, let me just try to show it to you. So nano payload.text, I'm sorry about that, let's just remove everything. So ln tag s, it is for linking the stuff. I do not know where the flag is, so just trying to go backwards, and let's just go for let's just try to brute force stuff. So as of now I've gone 6 directories backwards, and I think this would be enough to go into the root directory. And let's just try payload.txt, and let's try to zip it up using symlinks text.zip and payload.text. So what happened here was, I've tried to link a file which I think is on the server, and I have linked it to payload.txt which is on my computer, and now with the help of symlinks I have zipped it up. So what will happen is, the reverse will happen on the server. So on the server what it will try to do, it will try to unzip it, and it will then give me a option to click on payload.txt. When I'll click on payload.txt, it will automatically link to the file called flag on the server itself. So let's just try it out, and let's go in here and open it up, upload it, just go to the file and payload.txt, and as you can see we have the file right over here. So thank you guys, this is it for the video.